For homeowners in Redmond, the surrounding landscape is one of the city's greatest treasures. From lush greenery and tall evergreens to serene lakes and rolling hills, nature is never far from view. That's why choosing the right windows is so important. They frame your connection to the outdoors while shaping the comfort and energy efficiency of your home. Among all window types, casement windows stand out as one of the best options for Redmond homes that feature scenic outdoor views. Their design, functionality, and efficiency make them both beautiful and practical for Pacific Northwest living. Uninterrupted views of Redmond's natural beauty casement windows are known for their clean, unobstructed design. Unlike traditional double-hung windows that have a horizontal sash dividing the glass, casement windows open outward from the side on a hinge, offering a full, uninterrupted view of the outdoors. For homes overlooking Lake Sammamish, forested trails, or beautifully landscaped yards, this design maximizes the visual connection to nature. You can enjoy sweeping views of the outdoors without visual breaks, creating a more open, expansive feel inside your home. The slim frame design of modern casement windows allows even more natural light to pour in, brightening living areas and making rooms feel larger and more welcoming. Maximum ventilation and fresh air in Redmond's mild climate, homeowners often prefer natural ventilation to keep their homes comfortable. Casement windows are ideal for this because they open fully outward, allowing more fresh air to flow in than most other window styles. By angling the sash, you can also catch and direct breezes into your home, a perfect feature for those refreshing spring and summer days. This makes casement windows especially popular in kitchens, living rooms, and bedrooms where airflow matters most. For Redmond homes surrounded by greenery, this means you can enjoy the scent of blooming gardens or the cool forest breeze without needing to rely as heavily on air conditioning. Energy efficiency for year-round comfort. Redmond's weather brings both rainy winters and warm summers, making energy efficiency an important consideration for any homeowner. Casement windows excel in this area because of their tight seal design. When closed, the sash presses firmly against the frame, creating a compression seal that prevents air leaks more effectively than sliding or double-hung windows. This tight seal keeps your indoor temperature stable, reduces energy loss, and helps maintain lower utility bills throughout the year. Pairing casement windows with low-E glass and argon gas insulation enhances their performance even further, reflecting heat during summer and retaining warmth in winter. The result is a more comfortable and energy-efficient home that's perfectly suited to Redmond's climate. Easy operation and modern functionality. Casement windows operate with a simple crank or handle mechanism, making them easy to open and close, even in hard-to-reach places like over sinks or countertops. The smooth motion and secure locking system also make them ideal for households that value safety and convenience. Many modern casement window designs feature multi-point locks, which engage at several points along the frame for enhanced security, a great benefit for families who prioritize both comfort and peace of mind. Style that complements Redmond architecture. Redmond's homes range from contemporary suburban designs to charming craftsman-style residences. Casement windows offer the versatility to match any architectural aesthetic. For modern homes, sleek casement frames in aluminum or fiberglass provide a minimalist, streamlined appearance. For traditional or craftsman homes, wood or wood-clad casement windows add warmth and authenticity while maintaining energy efficiency. You can also choose custom finishes, grid patterns, or hardware to blend seamlessly with your home's personality. Final thoughts for Redmond homeowners who value both aesthetics and performance. Casement windows offer the perfect balance. Their wide, unobstructed views bring the outdoors in, while their superior ventilation and energy efficiency make them ideal for the Pacific Northwest climate. Whether you're upgrading your windows for better comfort, greater energy savings, or to enjoy more of Redmond's natural beauty, casement windows are a smart and stylish investment that enhances your home's value and your everyday living experience.